insane. Maybe so, but I'll go where the patterned rivers flow in the rain. So warm is the afternoon, throw my windows open wide. The storm-blown trees play out their tune. I'm drawn to go outside, where the calm of the day could wash your hair away, and I'll hide in the fresh, fragrant green that I'll be the first to see since the rain. People fly to the dry from a grey and cloudy sky, ashamed they won't know what they've missed if they never have been kissed by the rain. The garden stretches up to grasp the air, and may I be pardoned if I only sit and stare as the world is revived. It's so great to be alive. A prayer seems so little to give, but may everything that lives survive.